morning, student. Now exercise 3.19. Show that already first 5 was over. Now sixth problem. Show that the matrix A 1 2 3 1, B 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 satisfies the commutative property A B equal to B. This particular problem satisfies the commutative property A B equal to B. Now start with A. A is what? 1 2 3 1. B is what? 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. Now this is matrix coming on. First row into first column, 1 ones are 1, 2 into minus 3 minus 8. Then first row, second column. First element to first element, 1 into minus 2 minus 2, second to second plus 2. Next second row first column, 3 ones are 3, 1 into minus 3 minus 3. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 plus 1. Now simplify, minus 5, 0, 0, minus 5. This is first answer. Similarly, you will multiply B with A. B with A. What is B? What is B? 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1. Into A is what? 1, 2, 3, 1. The same thing, first column, 1 ones are 1, second to second, 1 minus 6. Again, 1 2 are 2, minus 2 into 1 minus 2. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3 plus 1 is 7. Minus 3 into 2, minus 6 plus 1. Now the answer is minus 5, 0, 0, minus 1. This is 2. From 1 and 2, AB equal to BA. Am I correct? This particular problem, AB is equal to BA. Therefore, the particular question is satisfies the commutative property. A and B, the matrix A and B satisfy the commutative property. Commutative property A and B. 2 more question. Only by using 2 plus 2 multiplication. 2 plus 2 multiplication. That's all. Next question, third question. Let A equal to 1 2 1 3. B equal to 4 0 1 5. C equal to 2 0 1 2. So that the first subdivision A into BC equal to AB into C. Second subdivision A minus B into C equal to AC minus BC. A minus C whole 4T equal to A 4T minus B 4T. 3 sums are asked. Usually, these subdivisions are final question. Not all the questions are asking. Definitely, this A is given to prove or show one first question or second question or any other question will come for final question. Now, I want to put first one. Write the question. A into B is equal to A B. Already told you now, this is the problem. First find inside the bracket. What is inside the bracket? BC. What is B? 4 0 1 5. C is what? 2 0 1 2. Okay? Equal to what I told you? First column. 4 2s are 8, 0 1s are 0. 4 0s are 0, plus 0 into 0. Second row first column. 1 2s are 2 plus 5, 5 is 1 0s are 0, 5 is 10. Now 8, 7, 0, 10. This is this. Now what I told you? Write the whole thing, left hand side. What is left hand side? This is the left hand side. LHS equal to A with BC. Am I correct? A already given 1 2 1 3. The BC already find 8 0 7. Now what is first 1 8 are 8, 2 7 are 14. First second column. 1 0 are 0, 2 10s are 20. Next second first column. 1 8 are 8, 3 7s are 21. 1 0 are 0, second column. 3 10s are 30. Again 22, 29, 20, 30. This is the first answer. Similarly, next point AB, then C. A is what? 1 2 1 3. C is what? 2 0 1 2. Now, first order. 2 1 are 2 first order. Next day, first order 0 first order. Here, 1 2 are 2 first order. 0 plus 6. 4 5 4 6. Now we start with RHS. Now we start with the RHS. What is RHS? AB with C. AB already written 4 5 6. With C is what? Already given in the question 2 0 2 2. Now multiply 4 2 are 8, 4 2 are 4. Am I right? Here, actually, A with B, no. Am I right? A with B. That means A 1 2 1 3. B is what? 4 0. Am I right? 4 0 1 5. Small change. You write the elements clearly. Then only you get LHS or RHS. The A value 1 2 1 3. B values are 4 0 1 5. Now multiply first row first column plus row second. First row second column. Next day. Second row first column. 1 4 are 4 plus 3. 1 0 is 0. 15. Answer is 6 7 10 15. Now AB is what? 6 10 7 15. C is what? Already given 2 0 1 2. Now multiply 6 star equal to 10 plus 10 plus 6 0 is 0 plus 10 plus 20. Again 7 2 are 14 plus 15 is 15. 14 plus 15. Next say 7 0 0 plus 30. 15 into 10. Add 22, 29, 20, 30. Exactly what? Second answer. Now, consider LHS RHS. LHS what? 22, 20, 29, 30. Here 22, 20, 29, 30. But both answers equal. Definitely, both answers equal. Suppose not equal means under equal, no? Not equal means this is called associative problem. The matrix quantity is always associative. That is what? ABC said there also ABC. Just change the time only. That is what? This is called associative property of matrix multiplication. Is always equal. Suppose not equal means you are calculating something wrong. Check yourself. Definitely both will be equal. The matrix what out there? A, B, C. You already answer, but final should be equal. First one is over. The second one is also the same method. Now, seventh question, subdivision 2. A minus B is C equal to AC minus BC. First find answer by A minus B. A minus B means what I told you? 1 2 1 3 in between plus sign, change sign. This minus is not all the time. Minus 4 0 minus 1 minus 4. Now, in between plus means adding the corresponding element. 1 minus 4. Am I right? 2 plus 0. 1 minus 1. 3 minus 2, 5. In this way, 1 subtract. We get the answer. Minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. This is the A minus. Now, let us just put A minus B into C. A minus B is what? Minus 2, minus 3 into 0, minus 4. C is what? Undefined. 2, 0, 1. Now multiply minus 6 plus 2, 0 plus 4. First row, second column. Second row, first column. 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. Minus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 4. This is the first answer. Now in answer, first find AC, then BC, then subtract 4, we can say nothing. Now find AC. A is what? 1 2, 1 2. C is what? 2 0, 1 2. From A and C, not away. First row, first column, 2 plus 2. 0 plus 4. 2 plus 3. 0 plus 6. 4, 5, 4, 6. This is AC. Now find BC. BC. Where is B? 4 0, 1 5. Into C is what? 2 0, 1 2. Now multiply. 3 is concept. First row, first column. First row, second column. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. Now 8, 7, 0, 10. Am I right? Now only find RHS code. First one is what? AC minus BC. That is RHS. Now substitute A and AC. 4, 4, 5, 6 minus here 8, 0, 7, 10. Now subtract both. Separate those. First one is what? 4, 120, no? 4, 4, 5, 6, plus here minus 8, 0, minus 7, minus 7. The corresponding expression of 4 minus 8, minus 4, 4 minus 0, 4 plus 0, 4. 5 minus 7 plus minus 2, 6 minus 7, minus 2. The 1 and 2 will be equal. But the answer? A minus B C equal to AC minus BC. This answer. Here also, both answers will be equal. 5 more question. Now, third solution. A minus B whole power T equal to A power T minus B power T. Now, inside minus what? A minus B. That's why A minus minus B minus. Already got input to plus sign. The minus is multiplied all elements. Now the corresponding elements should be added. 1 minus 4, 2 plus 0, 1 minus 1, 3 minus 5, we get this answer. Minus 2, minus 3, 2, 0 minus. Now LS is what? A minus B whole 40. A minus B already find out. So answer 40. 40 means what? The first row is connected to first column. Second row is connected to second column. This is the first answer. Now that is the answer. RHS is equal to A power T minus B power T. Okay? A is what? Only given 1 2 1 3 power T minus B is what? 4 0 1 5 power T. Now first row is called first one now 1 2 1 3. Here 4 0 1 5. Am I right? Now first row is called first column. Second row is called second column. Now go to T as important. T represent transpose of the given matrix. That is what? T represent transpose of the given matrix. The column is control row, row is control column. Now 1 1 2 3 already told you in between minus plus now change the sign. Am I correct? Now the corresponding elements be added. 1 minus 4. 1 minus 4. Next say 1 minus 1. Last day, 0, 2 plus 0, last day, 3 minus 5. Therefore, the answer is minus 3, 0, 2, minus 2. This is second equation. So automatically, from LHS and RHS will be equal. From 1 and 2. That's all. This is 5%. Definitely both also be equal. Two more question. Eighth question. If A minus is equal to cos theta 0 0 cos theta, B minus sin theta 0 0 sin theta, then show that A square plus B square equal to I. In this way you want to do. Now you want to put this one. First I have A square. A square means A into A. A square means A into A. A is what? Cos theta 0 0 cos into B again A cos theta 0 0 cos theta. Am I right? A square means A into A and A minus A minus. Now by using first row first column idea. First row cos into cos square theta plus 0. Am I right? Plus now first row first column over. First row second column cos theta into 0 0 into cos theta 0. Second row first column 0 into cos 0 cos into 0 0. Second row first column 0 into 0 0 but cos into cos square theta. Your answer is cos square theta 0 0 cos square theta. In this way you find A square. Similarly you find B square. B square is what? B into B. Same thing. B is what? Sin theta 0 0 sin theta. Again the same thing. Sin theta 0 0 sin theta. Now multiply. First column sin square plus 0 into 0. First second column sin into 0 0 plus 0 into sin 0. Here second first column 0 into sin 0 plus sin into 0 0. Now second first column 0 into 0 plus this sin square theta. Sin second theta. Our answer is sin square 0 0 sin square. Now only I am start with A square plus B square equal to A square is what? Cos square 0 0 cos square plus A sin square 0 0 sin square. This is plus adding corresponding should be added. Cos square plus sin square theta is 0 plus 0. Here 0 plus 0. Here again cos square plus sin square. This actually cos square plus sin square. This trigonometric idea. Trigonometry no. Sin square plus cos square or cos square plus sin square is 1. This is called trigonometric identical. Cos square plus sin square 1 0 0 again 0. This is called I matrix. That is what? Unit matrix. This is called unit matrix. But one question, you want to prove A square plus B square to I. How do we get answer? So you want to do one question, the simple concept, you put A square plus B square to I. First find A square, A into A, right A minus, second A minus. Now what we are using? First row first column, first row second column. Second row first column, second row second. In this way you want to multiply and add. That's very important. That's all. Now question 9. A equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Prove that A into A power B equal to I. This is equal to 1%. What is given? A given. Okay. Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now we want A theta no A power B no. To find A power. A power B is what? Transpose of matrix. Minus sin theta power 2. That is what? The first row is called first row, no? Cos theta sin theta. Again, second row is called second power. This is what A power 2. Now only start with the LHS. What is LHS? A into A power 2. It's of A is what? Cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta into A power is no cos theta minus sin theta sin theta into cos theta. Am I right? Now, first column, the same thing. Cos into cos, cos square plus sin into sin square. Cos into cos, cos square plus sin into sin square. First column over. Now, first row, second column. Cos into minus sin, minus cos sin. Am I right? Plus sin into cos. Sin into cos. Anyway, cos sin or sin are both the same, but opposite 0 will come. Cos square plus sin 1 agree. Again, second row, first column, minus sin into cos, minus sin into cos, minus sin into cos. Next is what? First row, first column over. Next is minus sin into minus sin, sin theta. Sorry, first row, first column, minus sin into cos plus cos into sin. Cos into sin. Next one, second row, second column, minus sin into minus sin plus sin square theta. Last one, cos into cos, cos square theta. Now, this is 1, this is 0. This is 0. This is not right, that right, this is incorrect. That is our process. Start with the LHS, we will press it. Anyway, the first element, you give the space, second element, the third element, give the space, fourth element. You say, one I answer. The simple concept at play, A given, A for TV, rho is equal to card is equal to rho. Then, multiply rho, automatically get the answer. I represent the unit matrix. The unit matrix being 1, 0, 0. This answer. 9 over. Now 10% verify that A square equal to I. When A is equal to 1. So A square has to know, A square is A into B. The A minus what? 5 minus 4, 6 minus 5. Again, 5 minus 4, 6 minus 4. Am I right? Equal to this area. First row, first column. 5 is 25 minus 4 minus 4, this is minus 24. Next step, first row, first column. 5 minus first row, second column. Minus 20 minus 20 plus 4 by 20 plus 20. Again, 6 by 30 minus 5 and 6 minus 20. Here, minus 24 minus into minus plus minus 5 plus 24. And 1 0 0. This actually what? This actually 8. That is answer. A squared by 2. Some 2%? 2%. Now 11% what is 5%? If A equal to A, B, C, D and I equal to 1 0 0, that is what? The unit matrix. Suppose they not given the same unit. Sometimes given, sometimes not given. I represent 1 0 0 1. I2 also same thing. We have 2 represent 2 cross units. 3 represent 3 cross units. 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. That's not I3. But I2 is represent what? 1 0 0 1. They only I given. The same thing only. It's called I sufficient. I2. Now A is given. In the answer involving A square, that's why I find A square, A and B. Alright? What's involving A square, that's why A and B. A, B, C, D, here also A, B, C, D. Alright? Is that A equal to A, B, C, D. Now A square equal to A square, B square, C square. That is not the correct answer. Mind it? A square, A equal to something. A square means not like number A square, B square, C square, D square. It's wrong. A square represents A into A. Write the A matrix. Once again, write the A matrix. In between multiplication, no sign in multiplication. This is not 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 2. You want multiply both elements are and 2 cross 2 means multiply is possible. First row, first column, first row, second column. Second row, first column, second row, second. In this way, you want to multiply first row, first column, A into A square plus B into C. Again, first second column, A into AB plus B into B. Alright? Next step. C C into A, that is AC. Then D into C, BC or C. Right now. CD to B, C into B, BC, D into B. Okay? In this way you want to do. D, B or B, what I say? I am writing the order A, B, C, D. In this way I am going to do. Okay? First answer. Now, what is next step? A plus B into A. Right? Otherwise, afterwards, start with the LHS. What is LHS? A square minus A plus B into A. A square is what? A square BC, AC plus CD is AB plus BD, BC plus BD minus A plus D into A minus what? A, B, C. Alright? Now already told you, in between minus column, put plus sign, minus A plus D. You want to multiply all elements by minus of A plus D. Because you are putting plus. Outside A plus D is there. This A plus D is multiplying all elements, but minus also is there. You want to multiply minus of A plus D into inside bracket, outside only plus is nothing. Therefore, the first step same you want to do inside. A square BC. Next. Or otherwise, here, if you start thinking you want to do first, one second. Length conversion. That's why our length conversion. First, A to 5 Next, you find. What is next one? A plus C into A, no? A plus D into A plus D, this one. Into A plus D into A is what? A, B, C. Now multiply all elements. What is the answer? A plus D into A plus D into B, A plus D into C, A plus D into D. Am I right? In this way, you want to multiply all elements by A plus D. Now multiply again. A square plus AD, CA or AC plus BC. Here, AB plus BD. Here, AD plus BD. Am I right? Now what is happening? This is easy one. What is it? A square minus A plus B. The A square I will write out. A square. This is A square what? A square plus BC. AC plus C. This is I will write out. A square BC. AB plus BD. Next step. AC plus CD. Here. BC plus BD. Minus. Here, A square plus AD, AC plus CD, here, AB plus BD, AD plus BD. In between is what? Minus. In between minus. That's why subtract what we get answer. Am I right? Now, once again, A square plus BC, here minus no? Minus. A square, this minus is multiply all elements. Multiply minus to all elements. Minus A square, minus B. This is a person. Next step, AB plus B. This one. Now what minus? Minus AB minus B. Next step, AC plus CD. Again, multiply minus AC minus B. Next step, BC plus BD minus AD minus B. In this way, you want to multiply minus the subtract. Otherwise, subtract both. From here to here, subtract. Here to here, subtract. Here to here, subtract. Here to here. Subtract means both the terms are minus. That's important. Now, this we cancel. Okay? What do you mean? BC minus AB. Here, cancel. Only 0. Here also AB minus AB cancel. No? 0. Here also, this is BC minus. Now what is common call? BC minus AD is common call. Remaining answer 1 0 0 1. BC minus AD into this part way. I2 that is what? Unit. That is answer. This is question numbers are involved in, you want to multiply and add now, to small number is coming. But the arguments are there. Multiply and add again, a square, b, c, a, b, all involved. But by marks will be equal, simple. All the terms are naturally always, b, c minus a is common time outside, remaining them, I2 will come. That is called unit matrix. The start with the letters, to put answer. The start with the letters mean a square involving, that's why you find a square. Then a plus b, a involving, that's why a plus b, a multiply. The right answer, substitute the value. Infinity minus there, that's a subtract both. After what is common to all? BC minus A is common to all. Remainders are 1001. That is called I2. That is called unit matrix. You got a 5 mark question? That's all. So, 12th question, 5 mark question. A equal to 2 cross 3 minus 1, 3 cross 2 minus 1. So, product of A is possible. We have 2 cross 3. This 2 cross 3, 3 cross 2. That's enough. So, we get 2 cross 2. So, multiply is possible. Now, inside bracket, what is that? You want to verify that AB whole power T equal to B power T A power T. I am writing inside bracket A. First row. 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2, 9 is 45. Okay? Next set. 5 sevens are 35, 2 twos are 4, 9 ones are 1, but minus 7 minus 2. Second row first column, 1 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 8 is 1. Second, 1 sevens are 7, 2 twos are 4, 8 into minus 1, minus 8. Audio 52, 43, 39, 30, here. What is answer? 3. Now let us just what? AB power T is there. A is what? AB is what? 52, 30, 43, 3. Power T. What I told you? Power T represent first row is equal to first column. Am I right? The first row 50 to 30 is equal to first column. 43 is equal to second column. This is the first answer. Am I right? Now RHS is equal to B power T A power T. Am I right? Write the question. B power T A power T. What is B value? 1, 7, 1, 2, 5, minus 1. This is power T. A value is what? 5, 2, 9, 1, 2, 8, power T. Power T represent the first row is coming first column. 1, 7, 1, 2, 5 minus 1. Okay? Now, the first row is coming first column. Second row is coming first column. Ready? Now, multiply. 1 5 are 5, 1 2 are 2, plus 5 9 are 42. Next say, 1 1 are 1, 1 2 are 2, 5 is 40. First row, first column, first second row over. Second row, first column. 7 5 are 35. 2 2 are 4. Minus 1 and 9, minus 1. 7 1 are 7. 2 2 are 4. Minus 1 and 8, minus 1. Now simplify. 52. Here, 43. Here, 30. Here, what is the answer? 11. But definitely both answers equal, definitely equal. From 1 to LHS equal answers. You got a 5 mark question? You want to verify or show that both answers definitely equal. Here, last question is exercise. 5 mark question, what I was saying. A equal to 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Then show that A square minus 5A plus 7I2 equal to 0. I2 represent the unit matrix. There is 2 cross 2 matrix. Now, A square is not known. That's why I find A square. A square is what? A into. A is what? 3, 1, minus 1, 2. Again, 3, 1, minus 1, 2. The previous area. First row, first column. 3 3s are 9, minus 1. Next step. First row, second column. 3 1s are 3, 1 2s are 2. Next step. Second row, first column. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 2 into minus 1, minus 1. First, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 2 to 4. This is called 8, minus 5, 5, 3. This is called A square. First part over. Then write LHS. That is LHS. A square minus 5A plus 7I2. This is on A plus what? Already find out. 8, 5 minus 5, 3 minus 5 into A already given matrix 3, 1 minus 1, 2 plus 7 into I2 is what? 1, 0, 0, 1. This is standard value. I represent unit matrix. Now the first one is the same thing, no change at all. But already got infinity minus 1 into plus S. Now all elements are multiplied minus 5, minus 15, minus 5, minus plus 5, minus 5 into minus 9. In this way, you want to multiply all elements by minus 5 plus, now multiply 7, 7, 0, 0, 7. Now all are adding. That's why the corresponding element should be 8 minus 15 plus 7 should be added. Next 5 minus 5, 0. Last one, minus 5 plus 5. Minus 5 plus 5, 0. Next last one, 3 minus 10, 7. 3 minus 10, 7. Adding all the way, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is called zero matrix or null matrix. That is RHS. Start with the lectures, that is RHS. That's all. This chapter, this exercise, all this is over.